and welcome to this week's new release video. It is currently Thursday night. It's about 6, so the sun is setting. I'm hoping that the lighting's gonna be okay. But anyway, so I have 2 new collections for you guys this week. One is a reformat of one of our best-selling collections from last year, and then one is totally new. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the new one first. These will both be up on Shopify tomorrow at noon Eastern Standard Time, and we are currently having a 30% off sale until midnight tonight in celebration of 30,000 followers on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for that. So that code will work until midnight Eastern Standard Time, and it's over on the Instagram as well as the Facebook group page. But these will be up tomorrow, and I feel like there was something else. Glossy and premium matte. Maybe that's it. I don't know. Anyway, so the first new collection that we have is called Lavender. So the first thing that I've got here are the glitter headers that do have the foiling. This does have rose gold foil. So I've got the ones with the foil as well as without. I'd gotten a lot of messages about adding the foil back onto these, so we went ahead and we did that. I also do have the date cover add-on, and these are all on glossy, which is why there's a glare. Sorry, I didn't have time to press premium matte to be able to do that for this video. Okay, so here, let me zoom you guys just a bit. Okay, so here is your full box sheet. So I love these so much. Like I said, this is rose gold foiling. I wanted to do something really soft, and I thought that this turned out really beautiful. So up top we have got, oh, my camera's gonna do this, isn't it? There we go. Up top we have got this lavender plant in a vase. You've got this pretty border and then this bow coming off of it. Your second box has some hydrangeas and some lavender, and your quote says "C'est la vie." We've got the girl here with the hat and the lavender in her hand, and then just some coming up right there. A bunch of lavender right here, another girl walking through a field of lavender. I did do a second quote box, so this one has a wreath around it and it says "Live Simply." And then down here at the bottom, we've got a girl standing in a lavender field, and then there's a little bit of foiled lavender up here. This really pretty floral, and then down here, this super cute cat, as well as this box that has got some lavender in it. And then that one does have the border around it as well. So with this one, I went ahead and did 1 light skin tone and then 2 of the deeper skin tones. I just wanted to do a mix between both. So I do want to show you guys these full boxes with the foiled bottom washi, and this may be my favorite bottom washi of all time. So there are bunches of lavender hanging on strings, and then I went ahead and did, if this will focus, there we go, just the bows hanging from where they would be like tied to that string, and I thought that looked so cute. Down here at the bottom you do have your foiled date covers, and they're just over some lavender. You do have your solid washi and then your weekly tracker up top. So this is the bottom washi with the full boxes, and I think my camera's blurry. There it goes. So I just love how this turned out. And I really love the color scheme as well, which I will show you now. So your second sheet here, this glare is terrible. You've got your weekend banner, 2 flags, your date numbers, small icons, cutout icons, you've got your scripts, your movie marquee, and then your next sheet has your appointment labels, your quarter boxes, half boxes, and then your really tiny boxes up here. We do have that newer format now where there is like some outlines of glitter or some solid outlines throughout the half boxes and quarter boxes. Your next sheet has your little things, your headers, and then some of these boxes up top, which do have the same thing going on where there's a little bit of solid and then it is wrapped around in glitter. But yeah, so the colors in this kit I love. The first color is of course lavender. Then you've got a gray, a very like, I don't want to say mint green, maybe more, I don't even want to say seafoam green. I'm not sure what to call this. It's a very pale, pretty green that I'm sure I'll think of a name of as soon as I'm done. And then over here is a very pale blue. So I love the colors in this kit. I think they're super pretty. Your next sheet here is your ombre heart checklist. You have 2 daily trackers and then your flags up top. And all of that was the deluxe kit. So moving on to the mini kit, you do have that same sheet of full boxes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and skip to the bottom washi sheet. So you do have that same, are we upside down? Yeah. We do have that same bottom washi. You have some half boxes, some marquees, and then your solid washi. So that is the sheets of the mini kit that are foiled. And then for the sheet here, you've got your heart checklist, 2 weekly trackers, a bill due, 2 daily trackers, cutout icons, scripts, movie marquee, and then a couple of flags and a weekend banner. And then your next sheet has your boxes up top. These are kind of in between a 1/2 and a 1/4 box, little things, and then your headers down at the bottom. I love these colors. And then we do have that in B6. So since these kits are actually foiled on the sheets, the B6 format is the regular B6 format that has the smaller Erin Condren boxes. So let me pull back out a full box sheet. I know what we lost, but I wanna go ahead and show you guys. So we did lose this box right here that had the florals, and in its place, because this is cut washi, I just did some florals that would look good if they didn't have to be stacked. But everything else I believe is exactly the same. So you've got your lavender plant here that has the border, C'est la vie. You've got the girl with the lavender, your lavender bunch walking through the field, live simply. This girl just standing in the lavender field that's got the foiling right here, the cat with the lavender in the box, and then down at the bottom you do have your 3 glitter quarter boxes. So these are the smaller version, I think I just mentioned that, of the full boxes. So your next sheet has your appointment labels, your tiny boxes, quarter boxes, and half boxes. Next sheet, you have got a row of glitter headers, a row of various headers, daily tracker, weekly tracker, little things, 3 heart checklists, some flags, and then some boxes up top. And then for your bottom washi and date covers, I did do the same date covers over here, and then the bottom washi is also the same with the bows. It is just much smaller. Obviously they're a little bit smaller as far as the strips go. You do also have the glitter strips, you've got your cutout icons, and then your scripts, and then that is your B6 kit. So all of that was the lavender collection, and then the next collection that I have got this week is a reformat, like I said, of one of our best-selling collections from last year. I pulled the Facebook group to see what all they wanted me to bring back. And I believe we're also gonna bring back Orange Blossom and Succulent. This one and Orange Blossom were like tied, I think, or maybe Orange Blossom actually won by a little bit. And then Succulent wasn't too far behind, so I think I'm gonna end up doing all 3. Succulent and Orange Blossom, though, will be exactly the same full boxes as they were before. I'll just be updating the non-foiled sheets. So I do have the date cover add-on for showers, and then also the glitter headers with and without the foiling, and this one is silver foiling. And this one got a pretty big reformat as far as the full boxes. So these are, and I don't have the older kit, but these are the new full boxes, and I am in love. Okay, so up top this box says April showers bring May flowers, and then you've got this really pretty like vine under there. This box here, you've got the bow wrapped around the flowers. This really pretty windowsill. I did do a just large foiled umbrella with the rain coming down. The outer band around the rain boots. And then this box I love. Let me see if I can get it so you guys can really see. So it is, the lighting is so terrible in here. It is a watering can with some flowers in it, and then it says grow on the watering can. It is so cute. And then down here you do have this floral that's got some foiling, and then you do have the girl with the umbrella, and then the rain foiling coming down, and then this box has the florals as well. So these are pretty different from the original version of this kit. I wanted it to be something just totally different. I wanted to do some big foil pieces, I knew that. And then your bottom washi is pretty much the same as last year, but it is just a different version of that falling rain. I did it a lot smaller. So that is your bottom washi as well as your date covers, and I'm so sorry about the light in here. I did not realize how bad this was gonna be. So that is your bottom washi, so that with the full boxes there. So yeah, that is for the deluxe kit, and then I'm just gonna kind of flip through these. I love these colors. I think they're super fun. So here is your sheet. I have to hold this so that that glare isn't there. Here's your sheet with your weekend banner, your date numbers, your icons, and your scripts. Your next sheet here has your half boxes, quarter boxes, labels, super fun colors in this kit. Here is your little things, your headers, and then some more boxes. So you do have more of a mint green, a pink, a light purple, and then kind of like a light orange. Super, super cute. Here are your ombre heart checklist. I'm sorry that I'm having to hold these because of that glare. And then, oh, I already showed you guys the bottom washi. So that was all the deluxe kit, and then I will go ahead and also flip through the mini kit for you guys. So same thing with your full boxes here. Then you've got your heart checklist, your weekly trackers, daily trackers, icons, and scripts. Next is your boxes, some in between quarter and half boxes, little things and headers. And then your last sheet does have that same falling rain foiling. You've got a couple of marquees, some washi, and then your half boxes up top. So the B6, same thing with this B6, it is the smaller boxes. So what we ended up losing on this is just this floral box down at the bottom. So this instead is just cut washi. But everything else stayed the same as far as the foiling and everything. So you've got your quote box up top, you've got your floral bunch with the bow, your windowsill, umbrella, your rain boots, your watering can, your flower, and then your falling rain on that umbrella. And then you've got your 3 glitter quarter boxes down at the bottom. Here are your half boxes, labels, and quarter boxes. Little things, headers, trackers, heart checklist, and then for your bottom washi sheets, it is the same falling rain pattern, just again smaller, and then you've got your foiled date covers over to the left, cutout icons, scripts, and then your glitter strips here. So that is this week's new releases. I hope you guys love them. I really, really do. Let me know down in the comments how you feel about them. I hope you guys like them, and they'll be up at noon Eastern Standard Time tomorrow, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.